A surprise for you. Close your eyes and count of 10.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Din 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 din. Gingerbread. Halloween gingerbread. You like it?
Yeah.
Can you show to them? Show to them. What is the surprise? Ooh, ito yung request niya kahapon. Gingerbread house Halloween. Kasi meron pang mga benta. And then, sa Foodmax kahapon, mahal, $24. Dun sa Safeway sale, siya, 75%, $2 na lang siya. And then, dalawa yung binili ko. Para sabay kami gumawa. Yeah. Look! I bought 2. For you and me together. We will do this one tomorrow. Yeah.
Me.
Yeah.
Me. It is you.
Yeah. Tomorrow. We do it tomorrow. Yeah. Don't mix it. Don't mix it.
Mommy.
What's that?
This is mommy.
This one you gaya-gaya. A sticker. It's a sticker.
Hey,
Ano yung sticker?
Papa. This is
This is the icing.
this
What is this? Look, it's hard. I think this is the icing. Maybe that is the one you need water.
No.
How cute you are.
Papa.
You gaya the house. This one.
Mommy.
Open it. I will get a scissor.
Look at it right there. That gets
Yes,
me even
that one
more
and that one.
excited.
And then it says you
Here
must connect
We go. The official first Spirit Halloween of the 2021 season. And who is waiting front and center but Mr. Howell? Look at this guy. Holy crap, guys. He's absolutely huge. And there's a small child who just turned him on.
Let this one dry.
He's got his Okay, hold on. Let's add a couple
And then we add the roof.
his mix here.
And one step ahead.
Yeah, right that. Yeah. Put everything there. There's one more here. Open this one. Here.
Uh-oh.
It's okay.
Mommy.
You see it?
Wow, that's a nice house.
Papa.
And more here.
Look.
Whoa.
natapos na ang Haunted Shock Chocolate Cookie Cake ni RR. Ito gawa ng papa niya, yung may purple sa bubong. Ito, ginawa ni RR. Pero, tinulungan ko din siya kasi hindi naman niya kaya gumawa ng ganyan. Ayan. Pero si RR nag-decorate. Si Dada nag-build. Na tumulong din si Mami. Konti. Pero kay Dada, maganda. Maganda din naman kay RR, no? Maganda din, no? Yeah? Bye-bye na sa kanila. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Ayan na yung output. Yung M&M Haunted Chocolate Cake. Ayan, yung haunted cookie house ni RR. Ayan, haunted talaga, oh. Nakakasakot tingnan, oh. Yeah.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Papa, what's eyes? Mommy.
Yeah. Purple. The purple roof. Papa. Ikisant? Nah.
Mommy.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. See you in our next vlog. Bye-bye. No. I'm gonna eat it. You start to eat now. Yummy. It's yummy?
Mommy.
I have more to eat here.